Hey guys, Chef Marcus here, and today we're going to be making my top 2 cocktails to serve at a dinner party. Firstly, cut 1 pomegranate that will be used later. Add 3 cubes of ice to your shaker. Add 1 shot of berry flavored vodka. Add 2 shots of grapefruit juice. Pour half a cup of Prosecco or your favorite sparkling wine. Close your shaker and shake. Serve your cocktail in a flute. Garnish with your pre-cut pomegranate. And top it off with more Prosecco or sparkling wine. The first one is a berry vodka Spritzer cocktail. The next cocktail is a gin and wine Spritzer. Pour 3 cubes of ice in a shaker. Add a shot of gin. Pour 100 ml of white wine. I love Sauvignon Blanc, but any dry white wine will do. Top it off with 100 ml of tonic water and then shake. Cut 1 slice of grapefruit and place it in a glass. Add ice to your glass. Garnish with fresh mint. Pour your cocktail into the glass to finish off your drink. Let me know if these 2 cocktails get your dinner party started. I'm Chef Marcus. Until next time, goodbye.